continue to see what is one of the strongest hurricanes to hit the U.S. in over 20 years. We continue to see what is now a landfalling hurricane. Harvey made landfall between Port Aransas, Texas, and Port O'Connor, Texas, about a half hour ago. The eye wall winds of about 130, gusting up to 150 miles an hour. I mean, you look at this, this is really almost a textbook buzzsaw look.
Still very close to the shoreline. Obviously, it's not letting up anytime soon, and we still have the tornado threat. We still have the storm surge threat.
Is there anywhere safe that you can get within your trailer?
Please come get me out of here.
A Category 4 at landfall Hurricane Harvey leaving its mark on the Texas Gulf Coast. No internet, no phones, no electricity, and no water for now in Aransas Pass.
We have no power unless you have your own generator. We got no phone, no internet, no nothing. We have no communication with the real world other than one satellite phone right now is what we're using.